In Manipur alone, we have more than 10,000 aspirants. Despite ethnic crisis since May 2023 till today, despite the turmoil, students are coming out of their homes to write exams. Amidst guns and bullets and fire, students with all the effort came to write exam, yet to be cancelled the next day. It is such a tragedy for the students, especially in a state like Manipur. Just cancelling the exam and just calling a fresh exam is not a solution. Just arresting a person, an individual or a two in the name of paper leak is not the solution. We must fix the system. We must promise, the government must promise that such things should not happen. Appear before the media with a heavy heart and with a disappointment over the recent NEET cancellation by the NTA, over the probe led by the CBI regarding the allegations of paper leak that is going viral in social media. Questions worth 600 marks is found exactly the same in the NEET 2026, and that is going viral. And a BJP leader is found to be involved in purchasing and selling of the question paper worth lakhs of rupees. Students are sacrificing years of labor, hard work. NEET is not just an examination, but it is their future, it is their career. But BJP is trying to destroy the future of the young people and the future of the youth of the nation, messing with the future of 22 lakhs students, aspirants across the country. And it is such a very shameful act that since Modi ji came to power, there have been more than 90 paper leaks across the country, and Prime Minister Modi ji have not even given a public statement. He haven't addressed the media, and we demand that Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India, should apologize to the youth, to the students, to millions of students across the nation. Since last 7 years, there have been more than 70 paper leaks affecting more than 6 crores job aspirants across India. And that also, most of the paper leaks are in BJP ruled states like Gujarat, Rajasthan and UP. This is the agenda of the BJP, to centralize the education and to commercialize the education sector. And in such a process, the BJP, they are the one benefits out of it. They are selling and benefiting by selling the future of the students. After repeated failure years after years, the National Testing Agency, they failed to solve the issue. We demand that this testing agency is not longer a test agency. It is a thief agency, not a testing agency, and that it is not credible to hold such a high level professional exam anymore. And we demand that NTA should be dissolved. In Manipur alone, we have more than 10,000 aspirants. Despite ethnic crisis since May 2023 till today, despite the turmoil, students are coming out of their homes to write exams. Amidst guns and bullets and fire, students with all the effort came to write exam, yet to be cancelled the next day. It is such a tragedy for the students, especially in a state like Manipur. Just cancelling the exam and just calling a fresh exam is not a solution. Just arresting a person, an individual or a two in the name of paper leak is not the solution. We must fix the system. We must promise, the government must promise that such things should not happen in the future. We will fight till justice is served. The Nsui as a whole, in all over India, we have 6 major demands to be placed before the BJP rule government. Point number 1, dissolve the NTA immediately. The National Testing Agency is not a reliable, is not a credible testing agency to hold such a high profile examination anymore. So we demand it to be dissolved and banned immediately. Secondly, we demand that the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan must be resigned immediately on moral grounds for destroying the career and the future of millions of students across India. Thirdly, judicial monitored investigation must be taken up by the government, because just by punishing and putting few behind bars will not help in solving the system, will not be help in solving the problem. We must fix the system. And fourthly, mental health support system must be given to all the students. After years of preparation, they are having stress, anxiety, India, one of the highest rating students suicide across in the world. We have faced lots of students suicide in India. And fifthly, monetary compensation to all the students, starting from basic like transport and accommodation. The government of India must provide monetary compensation to all the aspirants for cancelling the NEET as well as for affecting the life of the students. And fifthly, free legal aid must be given to all the students of NEET aspirants 2026 so that they will be able to pursue these demands in a legal way. They will be able to file public interest litigation and ensure that free and fair examination is conducted and it should not be repeated. We stand in solidarity with the parents and with the students in this tough situation, and we the NSUI will not give up the fight. We will continue fighting till justice is served, and this is not just a demand and this is not just a condemnation, but this is a fight for protecting the dignity of education, for defending the future of the youth. The honest and hardworking students must be given a chance. They must be given free and fair education system, and we will continue to fight till the sanctity of the education system is restored and till credibility is restored in the examination system and till justice is brought to the students. Thank you.